Hey everybody, I hope you're having a great day. Definitely know that you're excited because you're home and not in school. So we are going to take notes, as I told you today, on volume, and it's going to be volume of cylinders. Today is, what is today? 10/23. Volume of cylinders. Okay, I know you know the drill, so you're going to write all these in your composition book and make sure you do the try these and bring them to class tomorrow. In addition to this, make sure you are working on your red workbook pages, 46 through 49. I'm collecting that on Friday. Remember, I assigned it last Friday. So be working on those. Okay, volume of cylinders. You worked with volume last year. You did prisms and pyramids. And so we're taking it one step further and going to talk about cylinders. Okay, so first, I'm going to draw my cylinder. And hopefully you know what a cylinder is. Okay, it has two bases. They're circular. So I'm going to label my cylinder. And the formula to find the volume of cylinders is volume is equal to capital BH, where capital B is just basically the area of the base. H is going to be the height. So what I'm going to do first, and this is just how I do it, I'm going to first calculate the area of my base. Well, we know my base is a circle, so we should know that the formula for area of a circle is pi r squared. So I'm going to plug in what I know. Now I'm going to approach this and we're going to start out, we're going to leave our problem in terms of pi, meaning I'm not going to plug in 22/7, I'm not going to plug in 3.14, and I'm not going to hit the pi button on a calculator. I'm leaving it in terms of pi for today. Then we'll take it one step further. So pi stays pi, r squared, that's my radius squared, and my radius is this right here. Okay, well, order of operations says I'm going to square it, and then I'm going to write it as 16 pi. And make sure you put your units. Centimeters squared, because area is always squared. Now I can plug it into my big formula. Area of the base times the height. My area of my base, we just found, was 16 pi. And I'm going to leave off the units for right now. And I'm going to multiply it by the height. So when you multiply 16 by 6, you get 96 pi. And then my units are going to be centimeters cubed, because volume is always cubed because it's it's three-dimension, and we're trying to figure out how much is inside this cylinder. So my volume of this cylinder that has a radius of 4 centimeters and a height of 6 centimeters is 96 pi centimeters cubed. That's where I want it for now. We will then expand and plug in to find out a more specific numerical value. Okay, so let's try this one, number 2. And remember, I'm a math teacher, not an art teacher. Again, my formula is area of the base times the height. The area of my base is pi r squared because it's a circle. Pi, we're leaving pi. Now I want my radius. What am I giving you? The diameter. So my radius is 5 squared. So that gives me 25 pi. Hang on, shut my door for a second and stay outside. Shut my door and stay outside. Sorry guys, you're coming back from connections and I'm not finished, so I apologize for that interruption. So 25 pi centimeters squared. And I forgot to put my height, which was 12 centimeters. Now plug it in. Area of my base was 25 pi. My height is 12. So when you multiply that, you get 300 pi centimeters cubed. And that's pretty much it. If you can do those two, you can do any cylinder. It's applying the formula and just changing the numbers. Here are your try these. Make sure you bring these to class tomorrow. Make sure you're working on your red workbook. And I'm hoping you can see this. Okay. I hope you guys have a great evening, and I will see you tomorrow. And again, sorry for that disruption. See you guys later.